Hi, my name is Kurt Aspland and this is my studio. Well, today I'm going to show you how to draw a skeleton king. No bones about it, we'll get right into it. Come on, let's get to drawing. Okay, let's get a round shape here. This is going to be the basis of our skull. And then on the left-hand side, come down with a straight line, straight across the bottom, and then a curve, and this will be his jaw. So he's slightly turning towards us. We can't see his other side of his jaw, just this side here, because we've grabbed his attention and he's ready to go to battle. Next, I'm going to draw kind of almost a hot dog shape with a square bottom, and this is going to be the basis of his body. So it's kind of has a cube-like bottom, and then it leads right into his head. Let's get his openings for his eyes. The one that's further away is going to be larger than the one that's closer to us. That is also going to add to the sense that of depth. Let's draw the line between his teeth and make it a frown. And then for his teeth, I'm only going to indicate by using straight lines.
Whoa! Hey, if you're liking this video, make sure you subscribe right now below so I can keep making more. You got this.
Okay, for his lower pelvis, we're going to create almost like a mask shape or a figure eight almost. Very stylized here. Again, the opening to the far left is smaller than the one closer to us. And for his rib cage, I want you to think of coming around the form, because the rib cage is very almost like a cylinder in a sense. This is the center bone, and then his ribs are going to go around, almost like surface lines. All right, let's draw his lower spine. That's going to connect his pelvis bone to the rib cage. And then for his lower legs, I'm just going to draw almost a circle for the ball socket. And then his two, I think they're called femurs, the largest bone in the human body, the upper part of the thigh, upper part of the leg. Okay, now for his boots, we're going to do like flared out cylinders. This is the part of the fabric that folds over the top. You could refer to the drawings on the left-hand side. Now, when I draw boots, I like to draw like a flat rectangle in perspective. This is the point where the boot comes in contact with the ground, almost like I'm building a building and this is the foundation. And now I'm just drawing two half ovals. You get the idea. Now this, like I said, gives me the construction to draw these things in 3D and looking back. And now with the construction down, I could start to very easily stylize my boot. And that's really, on a side note, that's how we like to approach drawing is get construction lines down, and then we can add detail and stylization on top of those. Okay, here's my shield. And I'm just drawing right over the rest of my drawing. This is a drawing lightly here. And as a center point in these other round circles that give it structure. Arm is coming down, and at the elbow I've just put this teeny little circular bone. And then I've drawn a variety of almost hot dog shapes that will indicate his hand folding over the handle of the sword. Let's get his crown here. And you can see I've curved the bottom and curved the top, so the crown is coming forward towards us. You could see into it almost like it was a trash can leaning forward. But again, this gives me the basis to get the detail there. Maybe some long, scary looking hair. And now with that, I would suggest that maybe you pause the video, look at the drawings on the left-hand side. You can sharpen things up a little bit, come in with darker lines, add some coloring, and that will do it. That will do it for our Skeleton King. All right, we will see you tomorrow. Have a great day. Bye-bye.